Okay, so we're asked to check this homework here, and there's 8 questions, okay? And we've got the answers next to them. We just need to see whether they're correct or not. So the first one's been done for us. When we look at the second one, 7y plus y, take away 3y. Well, he said it's 4y. Let's see if he's correct. 7y plus y is 8y, yeah? And if you take away 3y, you actually end up with 5y, don't you? So actually he's wrong. So it says here, if he's wrong, put down the correct answer. So he's wrong, isn't he? Because that should be 5y when you work that out. Next part then, simplify this. Well, when you simplify letters, you need to group them together. So we've got 3a plus 26a, yeah? Okay, so I'll write that here so we can see it. 3a plus 26a. Okay, so adding the a terms. The b terms then, minus 5b minus 26b. Okay, minus 5b minus 26b. Now when I add the a's together, 3a and 26a is 29a, which is right. Got that bit right there. But minus 5b minus 26b is actually minus 31b. So we've got the sign wrong. It should be minus 31b. So again, 29a and minus 31b is the correct answer. 4, expand this. Now when you expand a single bracket, times them out. So 6 times x, okay, is 6x. He's got that bit right. 6 times 2 is 12. So he's got that right. So yes. 5, we're going to simplify this. So if we expand that bracket, I'll copy it out here, so then I can have a go at it, and then I'll compare it to the answer. So when I expand this bracket here, times it by 3. So 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, so you times by 3, you get that. Then we take away everything in this bracket. So if I take away x, okay, and you've got to appreciate that the minus in front means the minus 1, right? There isn't a number there, but it's if it is minus 1, okay? We don't write 1 now, don't we? And when you times through here, you do get minus 1 times x, which is minus x, but then minus 1 times minus 3 is actually plus 3, isn't it? Because if you think about it, minus times a minus is a plus. So we get 6x take away x is 5x, 15 plus 3 is 18. So 5x plus 18, is that what he's got? No, he's got it wrong now. So 5x plus 18 is what he should have. Okay, number 6 then, factorise. And when you factorise, you look for common factors. So 24 and 8, what goes into both of them? Well, 8 goes into both of them, doesn't it? 8 goes into 24 3 times. So take out the common factor of 8, yeah? That's how you begin here, because 8 goes into both. And then you put a bracket, and you ask yourself, don't you, what do we times by 8 to get 24x? And that's going to be 3x. And what do we times by 8 to get 8? And that's going to be 1. Okay, so that's what we should have had there. And again, he's got it wrong, look. Okay, so in here, we're going to put the right answer, 8 bracket 3x plus 1. So no, again. Factorise this one. Well, here, can you see 3 is a common factor? 3x plus 15, 3 is a factor. So what do I times by 3 to get 3x? Well, that'll be x. What do I times by 3 to get 15? Well, that'll be 5. Okay, so he's got that spot on. Finally then, find the value of this here. When a is 6, b is minus 4. Well, remember, you're substituting in the values. So 2 times, that means a, yeah? And if a is 6, 2 times 6. Take away 3 times b. So b is minus 4. So substitute that in. 2 times 6 is 12. Now minus 3 times minus 3. Minus times a minus is a plus, isn't it? So it'll actually be 12 plus 12. Remember, when you times a minus by minus, it's a plus. So you get 24 there, not 0. So again, he's wrong, right? So it should be 24 there.